Unit number 14, Biomolecules. The portion Carbohydrates, Definition and Classification. Carbohydrates are naturally occurring organic compounds of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. These are the elements present in it: carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Carbohydrates are composed of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. In most of the carbohydrates, the hydrogen and oxygen are present in the ratio 2:1 as in water. Therefore, they can be represented by the general formula CxH2O Y times, where X and Y are integers and may be same or different. For example, glucose having the formula C6H12O6 can be written as C6H2O 6 times. Similarly, sucrose C12H22O11 can be represented as C12H2O 11 times. This led to the belief in early days that these compounds were hydrates of carbon. Therefore, they are named as carbohydrates. But later on, it was realized that in these compounds, hydrogen and oxygen are not present as water molecules. Moreover, a number of compounds belonging to this class, such as rhamnose, C6H12O5, deoxyribose, C5H10O4, etc., do not have the hydrogen and oxygen in the ratio 2:1 and could not be represented as hydrates of carbon. Thus, it may be concluded that carbohydrates are not hydrates of carbon. In fact, in carbohydrates, oxygen is present in the form of an aldehyde or a keto group or a hydroxyl group. Therefore, at present, carbohydrates are defined as follows. Carbohydrates are polyhydroxyaldehydes or polyhydroxyketones or large polymeric molecules which on hydrolysis yield polyhydroxyaldehydes and polyhydroxyketones. This is the definition.